In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in Adobe Express. If you need to quickly mirror a photo or reverse its orientation for a design, Adobe Express makes the process very simple. Whether you're adjusting an image for better layout balance or creating a reflected visual effect, flipping an image only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where your image has already been placed, so you can edit it directly on the canvas. This helps you see the change immediately and decide which flipped version works best for your layout. Once your project is open, select the image you want to flip. Just click directly on the photo or graphic in your design. When the image is selected, you should see its editing options become available. It's important to click the image itself and not another element on the page, like text or a background, so the correct controls appear. Next, move over to the left panel and find the option labeled Position. Click on that, and a small pane will open with additional controls related to how your image is arranged. This area is useful for managing placement and orientation, and it's where the flip tools are located. From there, choose either Flip H or Flip Y. Flip H means horizontal flip, which mirrors the image from left to right. This is useful if you want the subject to face the opposite direction or create a mirrored look. Flip V means vertical flip, which turns the image upside down by reversing it from top to bottom. This can be helpful for certain creative effects or specific design needs. After you click the option you want, the image will update right away. Take a quick look at your design and make sure the new orientation fits the composition the way you intended. If it doesn't look quite right, you can simply switch to the other flip option and compare the result. And that's it. That's how to flip an image in Adobe Express. As a quick tip, after flipping your image, it's a good idea to check alignment and spacing in your design, especially if the image sits next to text or other visual elements. A flipped image can slightly change the overall balance of the layout, so a small adjustment afterward can help everything look more polished. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to flip an image in Adobe Express quickly and easily.